How to turn off keyboard sounds and vibrations while typing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can actually turn off keyboard sounds and vibrations while typing. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, when you first actually restore your settings to default, or when you first reset it, or when you first purchase your phone, whenever you actually type a message on any of this, you'll be able to hear sounds and vibrations. Many people would want this feature, but most of the people just want to get rid of this. Now, the very short way to get rid of this feature is to simply go over and then put your phone in the silent mode. When the phone is on silent mode, it's not going to make any sound, even the ones from the swipe and touch feedback. However, if that is not the option for you and you want to simply turn it off permanently even when your phone is not in silent mode, well, in that case you have to do it from within the keyboard settings. Now, in your case, your keyboard settings could be different. In my case, I'm using the Samsung keyboard. You could be using the Google keyboard, which is the Gboard. Such as for OnePlus and other phones, you have different set of keyboard standards. So in order to do that, first of all, I'll open up settings. Once you open up settings, we have to go ahead and look for the option called General Management. So just right over here, you can see General Management. Tap on it. And you can see in my case, it's Samsung keyboard settings. In your case, it could be some other places as well. So tap on it. And you have a list of different options to actually customize autocorrect and so on, but we're going to ignore all of that. And if you scroll down, you can see this option which says swipe, touch and feedback. So within our keyboard settings, tap on this option which says swipe, touch and feedback. If you want to actually turn off sounds while you're typing on your keyboard, what you have to do is tap on the touch feedback button, and you want to simply turn off the toggle next to sound. If you want to turn off vibration, you want to turn off the toggle next to vibration. And if you want to actually disable the character preview, which means the little pop-up when you type a certain letter, you have to simply actually turn off this toggle. But if you want to turn off sound, disable it, similarly vibration and similarly the character preview. And this is simply how you can actually turn off keyboard sounds and vibrations while typing on your Android phone. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.